Okay, so I'll quickly set up the Venn diagram for this question, 7C3. I'll just answer the A part, and you can figure out the probabilities in B and C yourself. So this is our Venn diagram, and we have circles for streaming, vinyl, and mobile. And we'll start by writing down all the information we have. So we have 91 people asked, 59 streaming, 44 mobile, 29 vinyl, streaming and mobile, 22 mobile and vinyl, 9, and only streaming is 20, and all three is 8 people. And we can start by putting in the information that we're sure about. So that's 8 who listens to all three, and that would have to be the intersection. This is intersection of S and M and B, right? And only streaming, that would be this part of this circle. So we know that this must be 20 of the people. Now we have our the size of our universal set is 91, so we write that out here. And we'll start working out the rest of the information. Now I'm just crossing out the information that we have used, so all three, 8, only streaming, 20, and we'll just move on to different number here. Okay, we know that the ones who listen to streaming and mobile is 22, which is this intersection here. Now, we also know that, okay, well, if we have 8 down here, and all of this is 22, and this is going to be 22 minus 8. And 22 minus 8 is 14. The total number for those streaming is 59. So we know that the number for this whole circle has to be 59. So we can just subtract. So 59 minus 20 minus 14 minus 8 equals 17. And that's what we write here. Now, you always want to start with the intersections. So the intersection between mobile and vinyl, we know that the size of that is 9. So the size of this area is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 8, sorry. And we know that 9 minus 8 is 1. And we can see that, okay, this area here, the size of that is 9, and that is the intersection between vinyl and mobile. The total number of vinyl users is 29. And we want to subtract 17 and 8 and 1 from that number, and we're left with 3. And we'll do the same for the number for mobile, which is this circle here, right? So 44 people altogether. And we subtract 14 and 8 and 1. And this is going to be 21. So, as you probably noticed, the key is wrong for this. Venn diagram. So I'll leave you to find the probabilities B and C. So that's listens to music on exactly one device and listens to music on exactly two devices.